What's up, guys? This is Crypto Chris. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy your time here. If you want to get updates, I have a Twitter in the link below. Also, if you guys want to follow me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on those post notifications. So I'm going to be showing you guys the basics pretty much for any new crypto investor, anybody looking to get into crypto. There's so many people in this world that don't know where to start, don't know how to get into crypto, but want to get into it. This is the video for you. So if you have friends, if you have family, share this video to them. I'm going to walk you through the basics, all right? So many people in this crypto world do not show you the basics of how to buy, how to sell, how to do limit orders, etc., where to go. A lot of people are just lost in crypto, guys. So they end up losing money, throwing money at dumb things, don't understand where their money is. I am here to help. But before I start, I want to make sure I let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. This is just more of a tutorial of how I would do it if I were a new crypto investor. So the first things first, if I am a new crypto investor, and I know all you guys, that most of the people that started in crypto started here, Coinbase, right? So if you are new to crypto and you want to buy cryptocurrency, don't know necessarily where to start, the easiest place to buy crypto is on Coinbase. They have pretty much a lot of the top 10 cryptos and a lot of underrated cryptos as well, and you can earn money here, right? If you just do little tutorials. So you just go through the app. All you would need to do is just go to get started, sign in. You get free Bitcoin if you do sign up. I'll leave my link in the description. So if you wanted to buy Bitcoin, you would just press buy, fill out this information, buy your Bitcoin, and you're good, right? You can buy whatever you want: Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. They just added Cardano. If you want to see even more cryptos, hold on. These are also more cryptos that they do have on the platform, and you can earn money just by watching tutorials and watching videos in these cryptos. So it's easy money. If you have time, do it. I think they give you what, so up to $31, did it say? Let me see. Yeah, up to $31 worth of crypto. Now, once you get into the Coinbase world, you're going to find out that the fees are insane, right? Not that nobody likes Coinbase, it is good, but the Coinbase fees can get outrageous from time to time. So once you're in crypto, you end up finding about different exchanges, right? An exchange that I would recommend for newcomers, or not for newcomers, but once you already start to get the hang of Bitcoin and crypto, etc., is once you want to make that next step is you would go to Kucoin. Now, once you're on Kucoin, same thing. You would just sign up, etc. There's different options. You can buy it with the credit card. You could buy it with the P2P. Now, if you want to know how to buy crypto on an exchange like Kucoin on Binance, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so there's even different cool little things. Look, there's trading bots. What else is there? They always list new coins here. Every other day you're gonna see a new coin listed, etc. So if you want to trade and you want to learn how to work the exchanges, this is the video for you. So make sure you show people this video. So for new people, say I want to buy Vera, right? That's the coin I've been talking about a lot on my Twitter. What I would do is I would send either buy Bitcoin if my country allows it. I would buy Bitcoin with my credit card or MasterCard. For a lot of people in the U.S., I think in the whole U.S., you can't use your credit card or MasterCard on Kucoin, but you can send Bitcoin to your Kucoin to be able to buy Vera or other crypto pairs. So it all makes sense in a second. So once I'm here, say I keep hearing about Vera, right? I'm like, I want to buy Vera. Speaking of that, Vera is up. Let's go, baby. So now I would just type in Vera, right? I would type in the 3 letters, 4 letters, and then once I'm in Vera, I would be here, right? I'd be left with the USDT or BTC. For now, if you have Bitcoin from different exchanges or you bought Bitcoin on the site, you would press the BTC pair. Then I'm going to show you guys some pretty cool things. There's different options on here, right? You can go to weekly, you can go to daily, you can go to minute, right? I like to personally look at the minute chart just because it's fun, it's interesting. I like to see what's gonna happen. You can see everything's lining up right here. Now, when I'm here, they're gonna give you options, right? Here's where a lot of people struggle. As soon as they're at this point, here's what they do. They go limit, they put 100%, 75% of their Bitcoin, they wait, nothing's happening, right? They just see an order here on the no data part. What the limit does is, say I want to sell at this limit, I would just press this amount. It would type in here, right? So if I press this amount, it type into this Bitcoin amount. If I wanted to sell, now if I want to buy, if I press this amount, it type in here, and pretty much I'd buy at this price. So if you see the price, it's 2906, right? Once it hits this, if I put 100% of BTC, if the price drops to that amount, I would purchase. Now, same here. Say if I want to sell all my Vera, I would just press limit here or up here, wherever I want to sell it, or maybe make my own. As soon as it hits that price, if there's enough people buying, then you would sell your Vera, right? But typically, here's how I like to purchase things because it's the easiest way. If I just want to get in and I know I want to hold a coin, all right? I would go to market, 100%, 75, or type in the amount of Bitcoin I want to use. Press buy. The Vera should pop up in your assets. You should see it here on the top right once you're already signed in, etc. You would press buy. You're good to go. Now, say you're like, okay, cool, I want to buy 50% Vera, and then maybe something like Litecoin. So you would type in LTC, and you're like, wait, there's so many Litecoin options. What do I do? I would type in LTC. Look for the BTC pair if you have Bitcoin. Boom. I would go once again. Market. How much I want. How much of the Bitcoin I want to use on Litecoin. I can either type it in. I'd press 100 in this case. I'd press buy. All right. Now you're probably wondering, well, how do I make profit? How do I cash out my Bitcoin, my Litecoin, etc.? So once you reach a certain amount that you want to use, right? Once you reach, say Litecoin reaches $300, you're like, all right, cool, I made money, I'm out. All you would need to do is go to market, sell how much you want to sell. It would then transfer, because it's a BTC pair, into Bitcoin. That's awesome, isn't it? Same thing with Vera. So I'd go here. Man, keep going, Vera. Keep that pump going, baby. So you go to market, 100%, sell. It would transfer into Bitcoin. Now, the same would be if I use USDT. Say I had USDT here. I could buy it. If I wanted to sell my Litecoin, it would go into USDT. Now, here's the cool part. Here's why people like Coinbase, right? As soon as I get enough money that I really need, or I say I want, or I would just want to cash out, I would use my Bitcoin in my assets account. I would then deposit that into my Coinbase account, right? Once I'm already signed up for Coinbase, it's going to say deposit or withdraw. I would deposit that into my Bitcoin account on Coinbase. Then I would cash out with US dollars for me. For you guys may be able to cash out in Kucoin instantly. But there are fees as well. When you do cash out on any exchange, the fees can be a little bit too much, right? I think on a Kucoin it's 0.005, which comes out to around $17 or $20. I'm not doing the math right now, guys, but from what I remember, right? So remember, if you don't do little purchases and then try to sell it, right? Because what happens is, if say I make $21 and I send it to an exchange, I would lose $20 and only be left with $1. You see how that works? So make sure you make enough money in the exchanges that you're ready to cash out. I wouldn't recommend doing little transactions here and there because it does add up. All right, so that's one exchange. Now, another exchange you probably hear about is Binance, right? This is another good exchange that people like to use. For people in the US, I recommend Binance US. For people outside of the US, I recommend Binance. But once again, that's all preference. You can't use Binance if you are a US citizen, but you can use Binance US if you are a US citizen. So the same thing goes here. You could buy any crypto. Boom, boom, boom. Look at all these options here for Binance US. On the regular Binance exchange, there's way many more options than there are on the Binance US. Then you could sell it, boom, etc. Right? So it's the same old story. Same thing I just showed on the Kucoin. You could do the same exact thing here. Same thing. I go to markets. Now, say I'm on Binance US, and say you can see the charts, right? So say one's been pumping a little bit. One's actually down. So let's go to something that's pumping. So let's see Sola, right? So we go here. Now say I want to sell. Same thing. I can either do a limit sell, right? See how that price comes up, or I can do a market buy. Hold on. I could do a market buy here. Boom, and it'll buy at this price. Now say I sell. I want to sell here. It'll sell at this price if the buy order or sell order is complete. Now, same thing I do here. I just go boom, type in the amount I want to buy. Say I want to buy this much, but I have the actual amount of Bitcoin in my, say I want to buy 56, right? I have the actual amount in my exchange in Bitcoin or USD. I could just do that, or I could slide it, press buy, and then the money or the crypto is in your assets. So now that you bought your crypto, you're probably wondering, should I leave it on an exchange? If I have a lot of money in crypto, guys, I personally wouldn't recommend leaving it on an exchange, because an exchange can get hacked, right? Kucoin was hacked at one point. That's why its highest price was $20, but then it ended up dropping because once Kucoin got hacked, people felt like they couldn't trust it. But once again, I haven't had any problems with Kucoin. The hack did happen, I'm pretty sure, if my memory serves me correct, but they got it resolved quickly, so nothing really major happened. But What if that was your money, right? As soon as you buy your crypto, you are your own bank, okay, guys? So just remember that. So now you're wondering, okay, cool. I bought my crypto. I know which exchanges to use, which ones for me, etc. Beginners, Coinbase. Medium to expert users, Kucoin, Binance US, or Binance. Then once I'm here, guys, I'm going to go to, now I need a wallet, right? So I would send my crypto. If I have a lot, I would send my crypto to a wallet like the Exodus wallet. They support over 100 cryptocurrency assets here. So if it's supported, make sure it's supported. If you send a crypto that is not supported to the Exodus wallet, you will lose all your money. I do not want that happening to you guys. Or you can use a Ledger Nano, same thing, make sure it's supported, and you could just send your crypto to this, and you could just put it to the side, keep it for you, and nobody can ever access your crypto because it's on this little device. The only way they could access the crypto is if they have the device and they have the code to get in. All right? So now you're probably wondering, okay, Chris, where do I go to find cryptocurrency assets? So if I want to find cryptocurrency assets, I would go to a site called CoinMarketCap. Now that I'm here, it will show you the market cap of each coin, right? It will show you the market cap of each coin. Then it would also show you where it marks up or ranges in the exchange, right? So Bitcoin obviously being number one, it's about $1 trillion currently, which oh my goodness. Then you could see the total market cap right here. So every day I come, I check the total market cap. If we're up, I know it's going to be a good day. If it's down like a couple, million, I know it might be a little rough that day. So you could just go through here. Maybe something catches your eye. Maybe you heard of something and you want to find it. Then you could just go to search. So for example, once again, Veracity, right? I'm really big on that coin. I would go here. I could check the charts, right? This is the monthly. This is the 7-day. This is the 1 day, 1 year. Same thing, right? You could find out, once you press market, you could find out where they have Veracity, right? So maybe you're like, oh, but I want to buy Veracity on Binance US and it's not there. Where do I go? All you would do is type in the VRA symbol. Then you would just go to Kucoin, Bittrex, or any of these exchanges, right? Be careful because some exchanges are a little risky. That's why I would stick to the main ones. These are typically the main ones: Probit, Bittrex, Bitmart, Get.io, Kucoin, stuff like that. Anything like DigiFinex, I've never heard of that in my life, so I wouldn't touch it. But if you want to touch it, go ahead, right? Maybe it's good. So yeah, guys, this is where I would find all the cryptocurrencies. This is what I would do if I was a new investor. Once again, if I was new and I didn't know where to go, I'd buy Bitcoin and either keep it on Coinbase, or I'd buy Bitcoin and send it to KuCoin to use it to buy other cryptocurrencies here, right? There's different sections like NFTs, DeFi, alts, right? These are all the different cryptocurrencies, but make sure if you have Bitcoin, you need to use Bitcoin to buy a Bitcoin pair, okay? So if I try to go here and I try to buy, let's see, KNC, right? If I try to buy KNC, it won't let me. Why? Because you can only buy it with Ethereum on this pair, right? So if I try to sell KNC, it would sell to ETH. If I try to buy KNC, I would need ETH, if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, guys, I appreciate your guys' support. Any other questions, let me know. Like I said, I'm trying to get this channel higher and higher and higher because I feel like there's a lot of misinformation in crypto, and I really want to just help out. Once again, none of this is financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor as well, but if you want to know where to buy crypto, if you want to know where to hold crypto, if you want to know where to find crypto, I just gave you guys all those different options. I showed you how to market buy. I showed you how to do a limit order. I showed you where to hold crypto. I showed you the different exchanges. I showed you where to find crypto. So I hope that helped. All right, guys, this video could potentially save somebody millions or thousands of dollars. So learn from my mistakes. Don't just buy crypto, then send it to a wallet that doesn't have. So you see how it says supported, right? Or 100%, 100 cryptocurrency assets. If I try to put KNC and send it to my Exodus wallet and it's not supported, so let's look. Let's see if KNC is here. Watch, let's see. So KNC. Okay, KNC is supported, so that would work, but certain cryptos are not supported. So you could just go down the list, and if it's not supported, don't send it because it will be lost forever, and then you will be left with no money, potentially, right? But all right, guys, I really appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much for everything. I'm out. Peace.